Hey guys, welcome to another podcast. So in today's video, or audio, however you're listening to this, okay, I want to talk about what to do when there is an uncertainty, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, or let me just put it this way, when there is a market crash, especially in cryptocurrency, what to do. Because most people don't seem to understand what to do. Some people are still in shock as to the reverse of the market because they bought at the top. And there's nothing wrong with buying at the top. It's just that you need to have a strategy when buying at the top. Most people buy at the top out of excitement that the asset is going up. Okay, so now that we've all seen this phase, most of us saw the phase in 2017. Some of the newbies have not seen any phase of the market downfall, but we always know that the market always recovers, regardless of it might take time, but it always recovers. So the question is, what do you do if you find yourself in this situation? What do you actually do? Okay, so it all boils down to what your strategy is. If you're using leverage to invest, that's a different case altogether. This video is about those who bought the coin, who own the coin, okay, and happen to be that the coin dropped in value. All right, so the first thing to do is check your financial position. Okay, your financial position. All right. Your financial position means checking your finances and looking at, okay, how heavily am I invested in the market? Do I still have cash flow for my day-to-day activities, or am I all invested in the market that I have no other source of income other than waiting for the market to come back? Now, if you are using spare money and not your daily activity or project money to invest in crypto, then at this point in the market, what you do is just hold on to the coins that you have, and the market will gradually recover itself on its own. All right. So, but if your situation is that you don't have money, you don't have feeding money or cash flow, okay, guess what? What can you do? Well, there's nothing wrong in selling your position, taking that loss at the point at that time, okay, because you know that the market can go all the way to a certain low. Like we've seen the market almost going back to its price back in December. Okay, back in December 2020. Almost Bitcoin almost touched its price back in 2020. BNB almost did, okay, over the weekend. All right. So if your situation is that you don't have money at all, you don't have cash flow, you're all invested in, I will simply tell you to take that loss and go and feed your family and feed yourself, or go and do something that you will make some money. And when you now have some spare money to enter the market, you enter the market and hope the market is still still low for you to enter. Okay, and hoping that the market is still low for you to enter. So first thing you need to do is know your financial position. Very, very important. Number two is, what is your strategy? Okay, what is your strategy? If you don't have money at all now, when at this point now, if you don't have money at all to eat, okay, and you sold your position, okay, then the next points I'm going to mention might not be for you, because obviously you don't have enough resources to get into crypto and play the long-term goal. So you're going to end up being a trader, and when being a trader without actually having the training, okay, and the knowledge to be a trader, to understand the market to a certain point, okay, then I think you should be out of the market completely. But or you should invest in cryptocurrencies that pay returns. I get what I'm saying. And are there cryptocurrencies that pay returns? Yes. Example are real estate tokens, but I'll come to that in a different video, because in the last video I did, I talked about real estate tokenization. Okay, all right. So so number two is, what's your strategy? If you are playing the long-term strategy, then what you do is focus on buying the dip. Now that depends on how much money you have. To be okay, that depends on how much money you have. If you have so much money, spare money, that you can play the law of average, okay, that you can play the law of average, then have at it, okay. If it drops, you buy. If it drops, you buy some. If it drops, you buy some. Because at the point that the market recovers and goes back up, the law of average is going to be in your favor, because you are mixing up different price entries to now be profitable. So most times you don't even have to get up to a certain price point to be profitable. Okay, but if that is not your strategy, that you don't have enough money, then what you do is, when you buy in, you hold. Okay, when you buy in, you hold. So so number two is, based on how much money you have, you either leave the market entirely, hold and build, or buy, hold, build, okay, or buy, hold. Okay, okay. So that's very, very important. That's very, very important that you know this. Okay. Now, number three is, know the coins you are buying. Okay, do your research. Okay, if there is one thing I'm against paying people money to be in their groups so that they can tell you the next hot crypto. Okay, now any market that is filled with sentiment is going to experience, when the market drops, okay, that market is going to experience a kind of slowness in recovering. Okay, a kind of slowness in recovering compared to other assets. Like if you went and bought Bitcoin, or you went and bought BNB, you are rest assured that when the market comes up, it's going to come up. There's not going to be a doubt about it. Okay, there's not going to be a doubt about it. Okay, there's not going to be a doubt about it coming up. Okay, so but the question is, what crypto are you betting on? Okay, are you betting for the one that is likely going to shoot up very fast? Because right now, the appetite for such crypto is zero. Okay, because everybody's now looking for the coins with the right fundamental. Bitcoin has the right fundamental, BNB has the right fundamental, Ether has the right fundamental. Most DeFi, blockchain tokens, and real estate tokens have the right fundamentals. Okay, so you have to be aware or know what you're getting involved with before you say you're going to invest, especially now that the market is down. Okay, that people are not really excited, people are counting their losses. Okay, people are strategizing on how to follow up the market. Okay, but what I'm rest assured is that this is not the end of crypto. We saw that in 2017. 2017 was way worse than now. Okay, okay, so I strongly believe that the market is recovering. Okay, I strongly believe that the market is recovering, and it's going to continue to push its bullishness. Okay, okay, but this is not the financial advice. Okay, this is my own opinion on the market, because the fundamentals, especially for coins that have the right fundamentals, the fundamentals can never be overlooked. You cannot overlook the fact that BNB is used on two blockchains, and it's also being used in Binance Exchange. You can't overlook the fact that Bitcoin has a limited supply, okay, and it's come to prove itself as a store of value. They can overrule the fact that Ethereum is the most sought after blockchain, and thereby causing serious congestion, and the miners making so much money, and the price keeps on appreciating due to its demand. Okay, you can't overlook the fact that real estate tokens pay return on investment from rental income. Okay, so you can't overrule all these things. Okay, you can't overrule or overlook all these things. Okay, these are facts. Okay, and these are the things that is going to make people hodl or hold in the long term, knowing fully well that the market is recover Okay, knowing fully well that the use case is strong, knowing fully well that there is going to be return on investment, whether the market is down or up. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to share, thanks. I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching up to this time, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please click the button, the subscribe button below, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Click the bell, okay, so that you get updated on all my videos and my projects. Okay, all right. So guys, I don't have a WhatsApp group, okay, for telling people what crypto to buy. Okay, I only have this YouTube channel for telling people what crypto to buy. Then I have the Telegram groups and the Facebook group of my projects. Okay, if you want to know more about my project, you can contact me directly to understand what I do, okay, and what I'm about. Okay, and if you check out my history back from 2015 up to this point, that is 6 years in the industry. Okay, that is 6 years in the industry. Okay, promoting, that is 6 years talking about, you know, digital, what's it called, online business to moving into crypto. When it comes to crypto, that's 4 good, no, yeah, that is 4 going to 5 years being in the industry. So and educating people, and all I do is educate. None of what I do is financial. I educate you to make better decisions. That's all I do. I educate you and enlighten you to make better decisions. Okay? Alright guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and let's see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.